how to build APK or IPA file. Let me navigate to Android Studio. So if you see the menu option here, you have a build. Click on this build and click on this Flutter. So here we have options to build this particular app. Maybe these all options like build iOS app and APK for the Android and build web app. So this is how we can build. So if I click on APK, it will generate one APK for us, and it will be saved under this file location, and we can download it from there. We will discuss about how to run the Flutter project and Flutter app. Let me navigate to Android Studio again. So here, if you can see, we can run in like multiple ways. One, from this menu option, run, click on run. So we can run, or maybe we can run as debug. So these are the options we have here. The second place where we can run is like terminal. So we can run here also, Flutter pub run and dirt run. So dirt space run and then command build runner. So this is a second place, and we also have one option here. If you can see, we need to select the file which we want to execute, and you see the play button here. This button we need to click. So before that, we need to select device also, which device we need to run the app. We'll discuss about Flutter commands, where to execute the Flutter commands. Let me open Android Studio. Yeah, so if you see here, we have one terminal option here. So if you don't see this option here for any reason, go to view again, tool windows, and click on this, select this terminal. So terminal will open here. So here, yeah, so if you can see, I already have one command here. Next, we will see how to install and update the plugins. Let me open Android Studio again. Yeah, so if you can see, we need to click on this Android Studio and navigate to settings. So here there will be an option called plugins. So we can search any plugin here, and for example dirt. Yeah, so already it is installed here. If it is not installed, then it will give option to install these plugins. So these three are already installed in my Android Studio. So if you are looking for any other plugin, for example maybe any one of this, we need to just click on these things and install them. For example, here GitHub, it says update. So if I click update, it will download and it will ask for restart. You can restart. Next, we will discuss about Git, where to access this Git in the Android Studio. Let me open Android Studio. So if you can see here, this is the place where we can access the Git, and we have one more place here, Git. So this is also one place where we can access the Git, and we also have one more place here, the bottom left. So from here also we can access the Git folder. So if you create a new project, and if you don't know how to initialize the Git, so that also we will see now. Let me create a new project, a new Flutter project, and Flutter is selected. Give some demo Git, and click on create. Yeah, so I will open this in the new app. So yeah, one new app is created for us. If you can see here, we have Git version control. So we just need to click on create Git repository and select the same location. Yeah, so now what we are doing, we are initializing the Git in our local system. Yeah, so this is how we use the Git and how we access the Git from three places.